This video is brought to you by Adam and Eve. Want to have some adult themed fun for a nice price and cultivate a new intimate experience? Adam and Eve have a wide range of selections for you to choose from and 24/7 customer service. 20% of the profit goes to fight the spread of HIV around the world, so it's a win on both ends. Use code HONEST for 50% off one item plus free shipping in the US and Canada. Some exclusions may apply. Link will be in the description. The 2020 VMA nominations have finally arrived and they've been causing a lot of waves online, mostly criticism, and today we're going to look over the nominations and snubs for each category. There were a lot of people that didn't make the cut in some of the main categories, and with other artists I was shocked that they did make the category. Let's hop right into it. For the first category we have Video for Good, which is basically just video with the best social message. We have Anderson .Paak, Lockdown, Billie Eilish, All the Good Girls Go to Hell, Demi Lovato, I Love Me, Her, I Can't Breathe, Lil Baby, The Bigger Picture, Taylor Swift, The Man. Now, I'm honestly not mad at any of these nominations. I was a little confused by The Man. I understand that it's showcasing the double standards for men and women, but I just think the concept wasn't put together that well at all, and it's just not one of her best videos. It's not. I think the song is nice and catchy though. For Best Quarantine Performance, we have Chloe and Halle Do It, CNCO MTV, DJ D Nice MTV, John Legend Together at Home, Lady Gaga Smile, Post Malone Nirvana Tribute. I think undoubtedly this award needs to go to Chloe and Halle. That performance was amazing. It didn't even look like it was at home. They did choreography and an actual production, and they've had a great year, and this is a great song, so they definitely deserve it in my opinion. For Best R&B, they have Alicia Keys Underdog, Chloe and Halle Do It, Her featuring YG Slide, Khalid featuring Summer Walker 11, Lizzo Cause I Love You, The Weeknd Blinding Lights. For this category, my top 3 contenders would be Chloe and Halle, Lizzo, and The Weeknd. But my personal favorite out of this video, and I think the best produced, would be Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. For Best Hip Hop, we have DaBaby, Bop, Eminem featuring Juice WRLD, Godzilla, Future featuring Drake, Life is Good, Megan Thee Stallion Savage, Roddy Ricch, The Box, Travis Scott, Highest in the Room. I think this category was a really great pick. All these videos are really good. Bop by DaBaby, Travis, Roddy Ricch, I think it could go to anyone, honestly. For Best Pop Video, we have BTS On, Halsey, You Should Be Sad, Jonas Brothers, What a Man Gotta Do, Justin Bieber featuring Quavo, Intentions, Lady Gaga with Ariana Grande, Rain on Me, Taylor Swift, Lover. I think the picks for this category is okay. I think there could have been better. I'm going to be straightforward and say my favorite video out of this category is Rain on Me. I think it has great production, a lot of choreography, and it sort of feels like an old music video where it's like an event and it's a lot of visual content that is appealing to the eye, which I loved. Lover is a cute video, You Should Be Sad is a good video, On by BTS is a good video as well. Intentions reminded me so much of God's Plan, but without the magic and the natural organic feeling for me personally. What a Man Gotta Do, an okay song, but the video looks like a 2010 Disney movie's prom scene. I don't understand why it was nominated, honestly. For Best Collaboration, we have Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber Stuck With You, Black Eyed Peas featuring J Balvin, Ritmo, Bad Boys for Life, Ed Sheeran and Khalid, Beautiful People, Future and Drake, Life is Good, Karol G and Nicki Minaj, Tusa, Lady Gaga with Ariana Grande, Rain on Me. Tusa is a beautiful video. I love the pastels, the coloring, everything about that video is very pretty, so I wouldn't be mad at that. The Black Eyed Peas featuring J Balvin was a cute video as well. Life is Good is actually a really good video, and we actually get to see them take on acting as well. It's a very fun video, and you guys already know how I feel about Rain on Me, so those are my top contenders for this category. Next, we have Song of the Year. Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted, Doja Cat, Say So, Lady Gaga with Ariana Grande, Rain on Me, Megan Thee Stallion, Savage, Post Malone, Circles, Roddy Ricch, The Box. I think Song of the Year should go to The Box, Say So, or Savage. I feel like there were all these big cultural moments that had the internet talking, and there were these big breakout moments for these new artists, and one of them definitely deserves it. For Push Best New Artist category, we have Doja, Jack Harlow, Lewis Capaldi, Roddy Ricch, Tate McRae, and Young Blood. Doja or Roddy deserves it in my opinion. I think they've had great years and have really carved a name for themselves in the industry. For Artist of the Year, we have DaBaby, Justin Bieber, Lady Gaga, Megan Thee Stallion, Post Malone, and The Weeknd. I think The Weeknd deserves to take this award home. I feel like he's been the most consistent with his album rollout, and all of his visual content has been connecting. And out of all the artists who have released an album this year on this list, After Hours is definitely the best out of all of them. For Video of the Year, we have Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted, Eminem featuring Juice WRLD, Godzilla, Future featuring Drake, Life is Good, Rain on Me, The Man, and Blinding Lights. My pick would have to be Rain on Me or Blinding Lights for the win. I think Doja was snubbed out of a lot of the pop categories because where is Say So? It's better than a lot of the videos that were nominated, and I think The Box by Roddy Ricch was snubbed of a Video of the Year nomination as well. Where is Dua Lipa in the main categories? She's had a great year, one of the biggest female pop stars of the year. Where is Break My Heart and Physical? I think she's the most snubbed artist out of everyone. She definitely deserves some nominations, there's no doubting that. I'm a little shocked that Selena didn't get nominated for anything, but to be fair, those videos are quite simple. But to be fairer, most of the videos in those categories are, and are mostly carried by the songs. And that about concludes my thoughts. Will you guys be tuning into the VMAs this year? And who was the biggest snubbed artist in your opinion? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.